Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make Desi Mushroom Sabji. Start by cleaning and slicing mushrooms, then heat oil and temper with cumin seeds and curry leaves. Add onions and cook until golden, followed by ginger, garlic, and green chilies for aroma. Stir in tomatoes, turmeric, coriander powder, and salt, then add mushrooms and cook until tender. Finish with garam masala and fresh cilantro for a bright, homey finish. I like to keep the ingredient list short and practical for home cooks. Use 250 to 300 grams of mushrooms, 1 medium onion, 1 tomato, and basic spices you likely have. Measure spices so the flavors stay consistent, and toast whole spices lightly in oil for extra depth. Cook on medium heat so mushrooms release moisture, then reabsorb spices, producing a rich, concentrated sabji without becoming watery or bland. Follow a steady sequence for reliable results. This keeps textures and flavors balanced. Temper mustard or cumin seeds, add chopped onions and cook until golden, then add ginger, garlic, and green chilies. Add tomatoes and spices, cooking until the masala is cohesive and oil begins to separate. Add mushrooms and stir to coat, then simmer until tender and the liquid reduces. Garnish with cilantro and a squeeze of lemon before serving warm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.